Hey there! A few months ago, we bought this 3-bedroom fixer-upper, and in this video, we're going to share part 1 of how we're turning it into 4 bedrooms by closing off a spare room. If this is your first time here, I'm Mindy, so subscribe and stick around for lots of practical DIY projects that are super budget friendly for the home. Say hello to the camera. So I'll insert a clip of this whole space before, but we are going to take this entire countertop down, and eventually we're going to close off this opening and patch up this wall. And down the line, we'll put up another wall here to enclose this room. We're trying to do this with minimal dust, so it's gonna take a while. Take a little while, so we'll be back. So we're taking a break. Here is our progress. Coming up pretty good. It's taking a while because we're doing it slowly, but basically what we're doing is we're trying to remove the tile in whole pieces and then taking up this I don't know what that's called, but it goes underneath the tile, so you can put the grout or whatever that adhesive is that you use for the tile. So once we have it all off, we will cut this plywood apart in pieces to remove it from the room. We still have all this to do. So yeah.
Oh, we should just use that leverage, huh? Okay. There you go, leverage.
Alright, we are on day 2 of this project. We have gotten all the tile off the counter. Yes, that is a sheet covering the opening. And yeah, today we're trying to get this wood countertop, maybe those, we don't know how those are attached, but
Probably not attached.
yes,
They're not attached. Look at this. They're not attached. I'm able to wiggle this thing.
no, they are.
Look at this.
Oh. Well, they're supposed to be. Okay, well this one has one nail in it. But yeah, so we're gonna see if we can get these up. They are screws, but you can tell these are very old because they are flathead. I don't know if you can see that. So we're gonna see if we can use a drill first, but if not, we'll just end up pulling it up.
To the box. Oh, this light on here.
So this took forever, but we got one side of this wood countertop down. So this, now we're trying to figure out if it doesn't look like this brick is bearing any of the load, but we do know that this is a load bearing wall in the house, so we're trying to see if we can find someone to just come in and remove this, because if we try to close it off, what we want to do is not see the brick, so we're just going to build up around it, but it would be better if we can just have it removed and be able to bring the wall flush. So yeah, we still have to get this side up and this whole built-in thing down, but we're also waiting on the electrician to see if we can get some outlets moved. So yeah, that's where we're at. So, update. We had someone come in and take down all the brick. So here's that wall, that counter, that cabinet built in is gone. Next steps, framing in this pass-through, framing up a wall here to create a little back entryway, and then sheetrock on this entire wall here and creating a doorway, a regular doorway there. All right, this is a couple weeks later and we've got that wall framed in. Again, I don't know if I showed you this before, but here's the bathroom. So that's now in the room, and this wall will be closed off with sheetrock. There goes that pass-through, all framed in. And we got the floor filled in with concrete, everything that wasn't level, and our new doorway. So I'll show you after the sheetrock is up. All right, here it is after sheetrock. So if you're coming out of the bathroom, this is how we did the wall. Everything is closed in now, and we have a door. So we are now working on finishing sanding the drywall mud, and then we'll get to priming, painting. But this will be the end of, this will maybe be 2 or 3 parts for this bedroom. But this is what we're at now. It's all closed in and we are ready to go.